Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wa hlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Understand Al-Quran the Easy Way, course number 3, Grammar with page 8, pointer D, in which we will study the verb aqama. We are learning mazid fi verbs, okay? Like from alima to allama, salima to aslama, and so on. There are almost 9,000 mazid fi verbs and the associated nouns in the Quran. So let us remember them with 3 sentences. Repeat after me. Ta'aleem and muhasaba are very important in Islam.
Ta'aleem and muhasaba are very important in Islam.
Allama, hasaba, aslama.
Allama, hasaba, aslama.
Don't waste your time in ikhtilaf, use it in istighfar.
Don't waste your time in ikhtilaf, use it in istighfar.
Ikhtalafa, istaghfara.
Ikhtalafa, istaghfara.
And do tadabbur and tadarus to have a better inqilab to Allah.
Do tadabbur and tadarus to have a better inqilab to Allah.
Tadabbara, tadarasa, inqalaba.
Tadabbara, tadarasa, inqalaba.
Allim. Alright, we have learned that in 3 letters verb system, we have sound verbs and weak verbs. Like fataha, nasara, daraba, sami'a are sound verbs. And wahaba, wa'ada, qala, zada, da'ahada are weak verbs. So just like that, we have sound verbs in mazid fi, allama, hasaba, aslama, and so on. And there are verbs which have a weak letter in them. So we have weak verbs here also, like walla. Walla is just like allama, but it has weak letters in them. Nada. Hasaba is a strong, sound verb. Nada is a weak verb because it has a, ya at the end. And today we will take aqama. Aqama has a weak letter alif in between. From qama, he stood up. Aqama, he established. He made someone stand up. Okay, qama, he stood up. Aqama, he made someone stand up or established. Aqama, he established. It is just like aslama, but with a weak letter in between. So aqama means he established. There are little changes that take place when we make the madi form. So for example, aqama, he established. Aqamu, they established. Now here, instead of saying aqamta, you just drop the weak letter. Aqamta, you established. And it goes on. Aqamta, aqamtu, aqamtum, aqamna. Alright? So it's all for ease that weak letters, they disappear. Like here, instead of saying aqamta, aqamtu, aqamta, aqamtu, aqamtum, aqamna. Alright, now you know the secret. Let us practice. Translate with actions. Aqama,
He established.
Aqamu,
They established.
Aqamta,
You
you
established.
established. Aqamtu,
I established.
Aqamtum,
You all established.
Aqamna,
We established.
Repeat after me 2 times. Aqama, aqamu,
Aqama, aqamu, aqama, aqamu,
Aqamta, aqamtu,
aqamta, aqamtu, aqamta, aqamtu,
Aqamtum, aqamna.
aqamtum, aqamna, aqamtum, aqamna.
Okay, with me.
Aqama, aqamu, aqamta, aqamtu, aqamtum, aqamna.
Again.
Aqama, aqamu, aqamta, aqamtu, aqamtum, aqamna.
Alim. Let's take spoken Arabic now. Hal aqama. Did he establish? And we are referring to Salah. So did he establish Salah? Salah is understood here. And you will say Naam. Yes, aqama, he established. Hal aqamu? Naam, aqamu. Answer me. Hal aqama?
Na'am, aqama.
Hal aqamu?
Na'am, aqamu.
Again, hal aqama?
Na'am, aqama.
Hal aqamu?
Na'am, aqamu.
Alim. Now between you and me, hal aqamta, did you establish? You say naam, you will say naam aqamtu. And when you answer, when I ask, I will point my finger towards you. And when you answer, you just pick your hand and point towards you only. Naam aqamtu, and I will not say anything, so that there is no confusion. Similarly, hal aqamtum? and you will say نعم أقمنا. So answer me. هل أقمت؟
نعم أقمت.
هل أقمتم؟
نعم أقمنا.
Again. هل أقمت؟
نعم أقمت.
هل أقمتم؟
نعم أقمنا.
علم. Alright, now we add a word salah. هل أقام? Did he establish as-salata? Object is salah, that's why it will have a. Instead of as-salatu, no, as-salata. Object will have a. هل أقام الصلاة؟ نعم أقام الصلاة. هل أقاموا الصلاة؟ نعم أقاموا الصلاة. Answer me. هل أقام الصلاة؟
نعم أقام الصلاة.
هل أقاموا الصلاة؟
نعم أقاموا الصلاة.
Again. هل أقام الصلاة؟
نعم أقام الصلاة.
هل أقاموا الصلاة؟
نعم أقاموا الصلاة.
علم. Now, did you establish salah? هل أقمت الصلاة? You will say نعم أقمت الصلاة. هل أقمتم الصلاة? Did you all establish salah? You will say نعم أقمنا الصلاة. Answer me. هل أقمت الصلاة؟
نعم أقمت الصلاة.
هل أقمتم الصلاة؟
نعم أقمنا الصلاة.
Again. هل أقمت الصلاة؟
نعم أقمت الصلاة.
هل أقمتم الصلاة؟
نعم أقمنا الصلاة.
علم. Alhamdulillah. Now we take mudari forms of aqama. Aqama he established. Now aqama is on the pattern of aslama, but with a weak letter there. So aslama yuslimu. Aslama yuslimu. So aqama will become yuqimu, just for ease. Okay, yuqimu. He establishes. Yuqimu. So once you get this key, you will get all of them, and I hope you remember this yuqimuna salah in the Quran that occurs so many times. Yuqimuna, yuqimuna, yuqimu, yuqimuna, tuqimu, uqimu, tuqimuna, nuqimu. So yuqimu, he establishes. Can you translate with actions? Yuqimu,
He establishes.
yuqimuna,
They establish.
tuqimu,
You establish.
uqimu,
I establish.
tuqimuna,
You all establish.
nuqimu,
We establish.
Alright, repeat after me 2 times. Yuqimu, yuqimuna,
يقيم يقيمون. يقيم يقيمون.
tuqimu, uqimu,
تقيم أقيم. تقيم أقيم.
tuqimuna, nuqimu.
تقيمون نقيم. تقيمون نقيم.
With me, Bismillah.
يقيم يقيمون. تقيم أقيم. تقيمون نقيم.
Again.
يقيم يقيمون. تقيم أقيم. تقيمون نقيم.
علم. Let's take spoken Arabic. Does he establish? Meaning or referring to Salah. So you will say, Naam, yes, yuqimu, he establishes. Hal yuqimuna? You will say, Naam, yuqimuna. Answer me. Hal yuqimu?
نعم يقيم.
Hal yuqimuna?
نعم يقيمون.
Again, hal yuqimu?
نعم يقيم.
هل يقيمون؟
نعم يقيمون.
علم. Alright, هل تقيمون? Do you establish? You will say نعم أقيم. Yes, I establish. هل تقيمون? Do you all establish? You will say نعم نقيم. Yes, we establish. So I will do only one action and you will watch, and you will do only one action while answering. So هل تقيم؟
نعم أقيم.
هل تقيمون؟
نعم نقيم.
Again, هل تقيم؟
نعم أقيم.
هل تقيمون؟
نعم نقيم.
علم. Alright, we add the salah word here also. Does he establish salah? هل يقيم الصلاة? You will say نعم يقيم الصلاة, and so on. So answer me. هل يقيم الصلاة?
نعم يقيم الصلاة.
هل يقيمون الصلاة؟
نعم يقيمون الصلاة.
Again, هل يقيم الصلاة؟
نعم يقيم الصلاة.
هل يقيمون الصلاة؟
نعم يقيمون الصلاة.
علم. Now between you and me, هل تقيم, do you establish الصلاة? You will say نعم أقيم الصلاة, and so on. هل تقيم الصلاة?
نعم أقيم الصلاة.
هل تقيمون الصلاة؟
نعم نقيم الصلاة.
Again, هل تقيم الصلاة؟
نعم أقيم الصلاة.
هل تقيمون الصلاة؟
نعم نقيم الصلاة.
علم. Alhamdulillah. Now we come to Amr forms. Amr forms are very easy in Mazid Fi. We have been telling it again and again. Can you answer me? What is the Amr of Allama? Sorry, Allama?
علم.
Hasaba?
حاسب.
Aslama?
أسلم.
Aqama is on the pattern of Aslama. So Aqama, because weak letter is there, it just goes away. So it is Aqim. Okay, Alif is gone. Aqim, establish. And the plural of Aqim is Aqimu, establish. La tuqim, la tuqimu. Can you translate with actions? Aqim,
establish.
Aqimu,
establish.
La tuqim,
don't establish.
La tuqimu,
don't establish.
Repeat after me 2 times. Aqim, Aqimu.
أقم أقيموا أقم أقيموا.
La tuqim, la tuqimu.
لا تقم لا تقيموا. لا تقم لا تقيموا.
With me, Bismillah.
أقم أقيموا. لا تقم لا تقيموا.
Again.
أقم أقيموا. لا تقم لا تقيموا.
علم. Alright, if I say Aqim, establish, what will you say? Uqimu, I established. Aqimu, establish, you will say Nuqim. Answer me. Aqim.
أقيم.
Aqimu.
نقيم.
Aqim.
أقيم.
Aqimu.
نقيم.
Alim. We add as-salata here. Establish salah. Aqim as-salah. So what will you say? Uqimu as-salah. I am establishing, or I will establish salah. Aqimu as-salata. You will say nuqimu as-salata. Answer me. Aqim as-salata.
أقيم الصلاة.
Aqimu as-salata.
نقيم الصلاة.
Again. Aqim as-salata.
أقيم الصلاة.
Aqimu as-salata.
نقيم الصلاة.
علم. Alhamdulillah. Now we take fa'il and maf'ul. Fa'il and maf'ul. Aslama is Muslim, Muslim. Always fa'il and maf'ul in Mazid Fi is very easy. Put mu on the mouth of Madi form. So can you answer me? Allama will be
معلم معلم.
Hasaba
محاسب محاسب.
Aslama
مسلم مسلم.
Aqama is on the pattern of Aslama. So Aqama, because it has weak letter, so Aqama will be Muqim, Muqam. Muqim, that who, the one who establishes. Muqam, that which is established. Muqim, the one who establishes, and Muqam, that which is established. And Iqama is to establish. You know the Iqama of Salah every day, when we start the prayer. So this is Iqama, to establish. Alright, so yeah, and also whenever there are weak letters, we have seen, ta will come in the extra, like we have walla, tawliyatun, and we also learned nada, munadatun, so aqama, iqamatun, and so on. So ta is there at the end when the weak letter is there in the roots. So translate with actions. Muqim,
one who establishes.
Muqam,
the one who is established.
And Iqama,
to establish.
Repeat after me 2 times. Muqim, Muqam, Iqama.
Muqim, Muqam, Iqama. Muqim, Muqam, Iqama.
With me.
Muqim, Muqam, Iqama. Muqim, Muqam, Iqama.
Alim. Alright, we are left with 2 now. Huwa fa'ala, hiya fa'alat. So huwa aqama, hiya aqamat. She established. Huwa yuqimu, hiya tuqimu. She establishes. So answer me. Huwa aqama, hiya
aqamat.
Huwa yuqimu, hiya
tuqimu.
Again. Huwa aqama, hiya
aqamat.
Huwa yuqimu, hiya
tuqimu.
Alim. Alhamdulillah, now we got the table completed. So can you repeat the whole table after me? Bismillah. Aqama, aqamu, aqamta, aqamtu, aqamtum, aqamna. Yuqimu, yuqimuna, tuqimu, uqimu, tuqimuna, nuqimu. Aqim, aqimu, la tuqim, la tuqimu. Muqim, muqam, iqama. And the last two. Aqamat, tuqimu. Alim. We have the 6 keys also ready now. So can you repeat after me? Aqama, yuqimu, aqim.
Aqama, yuqimu, aqim.
Muqim, muqam, iqama.
Muqim,
muqam, iqama. Can you say these with me?
Aqama, yuqimu,
aqim.
Muqim,
muqam,
iqama.
iqama. Alim. Alright, the only thing you have to remember here is aqama, aqamu, aqamta. Aqamta, aqamtu, aqamtum, aqamna, and so on. Memorize this table thoroughly, that is of aqama, and answer the questions given in the workbook, and fill up the table for arada. Arada means he wanted. Okay, and it is exactly like aqama, the same pattern. Arada. So I will just say these forms so that you know how it is made. Arada, aradu, aratta, arattu, arattum, aradna. Yuridu, yuriduna, turidu, uridu, turiduna, nuridu. Arid, aridu, la turid, la turidu. Murid, murad, irada. Aradat, turid. Don't forget the verb codes. Remember the verb codes for mazid fi have a plus sign in them. Like allama, you will have ayn lam plus. Hasaba, ha plus. Aslama, alif sin plus. And so on. Alhamdulillah. Don't forget the 7 types of homework. 2 on tilawa, 2 on study, and 1 on listening, 1 talking, and 1 on reciting. And the 2 du'as, Rabbi zidni ilma, and also pray for everyone coming to the class. And learn from videos, and if you cannot watch them consistently, then make a group. The group will ensure that you are doing it together. And whenever there is alim, when I say alim, pause the video and practice. Otherwise, get one-to-one class online, and that will be good for you and your family. And it is better to be a teacher. In fact, the best way to learn is to teach. Download the PPTs and start teaching. And if you want teacher training, it is there on our website. Jazakumullah khair. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik. Nashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Assalamu alaikum. Learn to read Al-Quran, learn Tajweed, understand Al-Quran and memorize it using easy, scientific and interactive methods. Get ebooks, videos, audios, posters, PowerPoint files, app links for different courses. We have specialized Montessori materials and games for making the Quran easy for kids, and a teacher's resource center too. Get personalized one-to-one online courses that suit your needs from expert teachers. For free trial, write to admin@understandquran.com or visit understandquran.com. Wassalamu alaikum